read that word, lost and found, because we cannot find ourselves if we are not lost. So a lost is a requirement. Don't say no, it's we don't want to be lost. No, it's okay. Lose yourself for some time, especially to adults, and not adults, teenagers. They think that they have to be lost. But you have to know that you cannot taste sweet without tasting sour. Tasting the sour gives you how much the sweet is important, how much you can how much you can feel the happiness when you begin to feel this sweetness, little bit sweetness. After a lot of sourness, you find yourself very happy. So I was explaining yesterday the difference of sweetness in our beliefs. I said that there is sour belief. You believe there is a reality. You believe there is God. But your beliefs are sour. They are not ripe yet. Like fruit. They are not ripe. So you see them not ripe, you don't taste them. So there is a belief that is sour. And there is a belief that is very sweet, sugary. It has sugar in its ripe. And in between, there might be a belief, a sweet with splendor, or with equal, or sweet and low. So it gives you taste, but it is not yet giving you the energy. It's empty. There is nothing in it. So if we don't be lost, and that's why when Rumi said that I'm looking for myself, where I can find myself. When Buddha was saying, I want to look to find myself, to find the reality. When every person is asking to find reality, Prophet Sayyidina Muhammad alayhi afdalu salatu wassalam, he was going into the cave every year in order to find himself until 40 years of age. When he came, the Archangel Gabriel came, as he came for Jesus, I came for Moses. So, as others, traditions, that they were looking for realities. So, but they felt before this sourness, because they were lost. So, when we are lost, when we can look into the sweet, to find ourselves, then our life becomes so sweet. Many people, they have difficulties because we are lost. Why Rumi didn't have difficulties? His only difficulty was the pain of love that's keeping him away from divine presence. He didn't have difficulty of eating and drinking, but he has difficulty of finding himself. Oh, beloved brothers and sisters, let us pray all together in different religions and beliefs, that may God give us a revelation or inspiration to our hearts to find ourselves. May God bless you, and thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.